Are custom agents really powerful? What makes something a custom agent? In this video, we're going to break down what custom agents are and how to use them by building one from scratch and show exactly the best way to use one in a real workflow. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Custom agents enable you to configure the AI to adopt different personas tailored to specific development roles and tasks. So, for example, you might create agents for a security reviewer, planner, solution architect, or other specialized roles. And each persona can have its own behavior, available tools, and instructions. Now, this here is the documentation for custom agents on VSCode's website. But let's go ahead and take a look at an existing project. So right here, I'm in a project for an arcade themed calculator. And what I'd like to show you is under agents, we have one that I created called security reviewer and then some built-in ones. And this is an excellent example of a custom agent right here that's going to be used when reviewing code for security vulnerabilities, auditing for secrets and credential leaks, and a lot more. So let's go ahead and test this security reviewer, which is under workspace. I go into the chat using the @ turn security reviewer, ask it to review this file for vulnerabilities and focus on our JavaScript file. Actually, let me stop. We want to make sure that this is in agent mode. Give it another shot. So as you can see, it gives us a lot of information here, starting off with a review of the results, and then it categorizes some concerns starting from a level of low. And I assume if it had more that was serious, it would have like probably medium and high, but we only have low right now, which is pretty good. But let's go ahead and create a new custom agent. And I want to try something new. Why don't we have Copilot suggest a custom agent for us? So I'm going to ask, based on my current project, what custom agent can I create for my video demo? And that's exactly the video that you're watching right now. Can you tell me a prompt to tell Copilot to create one? And tell me why it makes a good custom agent. This is very meta here because while creating an example, I'm actually using Copilot to assist me. And one reason I want to show this is because as you're developing your projects, it's good to get into the habit of thinking of Copilot as a way of helping you on many different levels, not just writing code. So let's see what it came up with here. It says, great, an arcade themed scientific calculator with sound effects, theme toggling, and solid architecture. My recommendation is a domain specific agent that knows your calculator's architecture, retro aesthetics, and coding patterns. So this is what it suggested here, a prompt to create an agent called Arcade Feature Builder. It should be a specialist for my arcade calculator. It knows the code base, uses HTML, etc. And I won't read the whole thing, but let's take a look at why it makes a great custom agent. It has clear domain focus, architecture awareness, visually compelling for a demo, minimal tools, and shows the why for custom agents. So that's interesting, but let me ask it a follow-up question. That sounds great, but can I create another app using this custom agent that will apply the themes? All right, so it looks like it modified it so that it can be used for another app, and then we could test it out with one of these other apps here. So I'll copy this and let's make it happen. Create that custom agent called Arcade App Builder. All right, so it looks like it's done. Now, the last time I used the custom agent, I had referenced it by using like the @ symbol. But the simplest way to actually do it is to actually hit the drop down and then select the agent after it's been built. So right now, let's go ahead and choose Arcade App Builder. And I liked one of the suggestions that I had here. Let's just say a tip calculator, just to keep in the theme of calculators. While it's working, let's go ahead and take a look at our agent customizations, and we see our Arcade App Builder here. If we take a look inside, we could see the description in addition to the tools that it's referencing, and a lot more information regarding the system design, such as typography, color palette, for both dark mode and light mode, visual effects. Lots of information here. And it's really nice that it's all in one location. Let's go ahead and circle back and see where we're at. All right, the tips calculator is ready at tip calculator, and it has all these features listed here. So let's go ahead and ask it to run the tip calculator. I opened it in my other browser, but I just copied the URL and just gonna go ahead and paste it in the integrated browser here in VS Code. And there you go. Look at that. So now I have a new app that leverage all the characteristics of my previous app because of the custom agent, which is great. It even makes a sound. So for $55, I give it a tip of 15%, maybe 25% if I'm feeling generous. And there you go. To learn more about other customization features produced by our community, check out Awesome Copilot at this URL here. So I hope this gave you a solid feel for what custom agents can do. Let me know in the comments, what kind of custom agents have you created? If you are interested in making things happen automatically without asking, hooks are something to look into. Thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next one.